name is Marek Burda. I'm co-founder and director of a company called CAMETICS Advanced Metals. Soldering is a joining process in which a low melting point filler metal, which we call solder, is melted to fill the gap between two parts. Joining of carbon via soldering has not been possible because there was no commercially available soldering alloy which could do the work, and it's all because of the wetting issue.
The alloys that we develop here are able to connect carbon materials like traditional carbon fiber, or even some of the nanocarbons, carbons with nanostructured features like carbon nanotubes or graphene. And these materials can be combined with traditional metals, with any metal composite structures, or with themselves. What is interesting about these alloys that we have got here is that they do not require any exotic components and exotic elements to make them. They are simply made from tin as the base matrix with other elements which are added to this alloy.
Soldering with use of C-solder is very simple. All what you need is simple soldering iron. There is no need for high temperatures like in reactive brazing. There is no need for controlled atmosphere, and there is no need for flux, which is normally used in case of soldering. So all of this makes soldering very simple, cost-effective, energy efficient, and what is the most important, this process kind of filled the gap which was existing in the market.
This is a true revolution in this area because there is no other alloy which can actually wet carbons at this stage or be used to connect carbons together or carbons to metals.